Hey guys, and what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Payment 1. No matter if you get stuck in learning new words as a non-native speaker, you experience this problem, right? So when you start learning English, you know the basic and common words like the words like change, explain, important, like, and using them in your speech over and over again would sound so boring. So today, are you ready to make your language more expanded? Today's topic is vocabulary and alternatives. I'm going to give you alternatives that you can use to make your English more diversified and more expanded. The other day I was talking to my friend and he asked me a question. That was a great question though. He asked me, "Hey Juan, how can I increase my vocabulary? Is there any way to increase my vocabulary?" Well, one of the best ways to increase your vocabulary is to read. Read. Well, read as many books as you can. And that's because the more you read, the more words you will be exposed to. Okay, let's talk about the words. And the first word is like. But remember, I'm not talking about like as a filler word. I'm talking about like as a verb. Well, you may ask me, "Hey Paywant, what does a filler word mean?" Well, a filler word is a meaningless word that you can use to fill the little pause, or if you need some time to think what is coming next, you can use filler words. And filler words like, these are filler words. Okay, the first word is like. I know everybody knows it and it's a basic word, but try to avoid using this word as much in your speech. You can try synonyms. For example, instead of saying "I like you," you can say "I admire you."
All right, who wants to go first? This young lady right here. Tell me your name.
Hello, I'm Cheryl Hill,
Hey, Cheryl.
and I admire you so much in your office.
Or let me just say this to my friend: "I admire your courage." Where's that? And that means I got attracted by his courage. The next word is important. I know this is a common and basic word, and people seem to use this word a lot. But we can use other words like vital, crucial, significant, and essential. In an example, learning English is essential. And of course, if you subscribe to my channel,
United Kingdom's leadership on the world stage is essential.
Economy of the city. During the 16th century, the city was one of the most important places in the country and one of the most significant ports in all of Europe. Today,
okay, the next word is explain. This word is a really common word, but what I love to use in my speech when somebody talks about something and I couldn't catch, I would say, "Can you elaborate on that? Can you elaborate on that?"
Right thing to do,
Instead of
and it's time to do it. We can't keep on putting it off.
You suggested that Speaker Boehner didn't return phone calls this afternoon. Could you elaborate a little bit on that?
You know,
Instead of saying, "Can you explain that?" Elaborate sounds really American. You can also say, "Could you clarify that for me? Could you clarify that for me?" Okay, the next and the last word is really. We say this word a lot. We use this word a lot over and over again. This car is really nice. This is amazing. This is really amazing. This is really good. This is really bad. But we can use the word significantly, which has the same meaning. For example, Sarish says her English has significantly improved since she started watching Payment's videos.
and suddenly interest rates are going up significantly, and everybody is paying higher interest.
Alright guys, that was all for me for today's class. Thank you so much for joining me, and thank you so much for watching my video. If you hopefully enjoyed watching my video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.